National Nutrition Natural Health Reviews. 3 minutes of the latest naturopathic info with Canada's leading nutrition experts. Watch, learn, and get healthy naturally.
Hi, I'm Dr. Jonathan Beatty, naturopathic doctor and a health expert here at Nationalnutrition.ca. Today, we're going to talk a little bit about a symptom called bruising. Everybody throughout their life has probably received one of these. However, when it happens frequently or easily, it is a concern that you should address. So first, what is bruising? Well, bruising is essentially, the technical term is called a contusion. And what ends up happening is you have damage to a small blood vessel, blood leaks into the surrounding tissue, and that creates swelling, that creates pain, and it can create discoloration. We call it extravasation is the technical term for it when the blood leaks into the tissue. And what's happening, and part of why you see the bruise change color over time, is the degradation of that blood and some of the minerals in your blood. As they oxidize, they change color, which is why initially the bruise will be sort of like a dark black or purple or brown color. And then over time, it'll start to lighten and can kind of become this yellow, blue, green color before it goes away. And that's as the blood is being degraded and removed from the area. That's why you're getting that color and then the color change over time. So if you have a strong trauma, that can definitely cause a bruise. That is considered normal bruising. Don't panic. However, if you bruise easily, I always kind of joke, if you bruise in a strong wind, you've got to really investigate that. You might have a severe, what we call hemorrhagic disease. You may have a condition, either genetic or due to a nutrient deficiency of fragile veins or fragile capillaries, fragile blood vessels. You might also just have a simple nutrient deficiency, something like an iron deficiency can actually cause easy bruising. So it's important you get it investigated. It might be as simple as just increasing the iron in your diet and resolving the symptom that way. Again, it could be as complex as being diagnosed with something like hemophilia or some other type of blood disorder that can lead to easy bruising. And you need to know about it so that you can manage the symptoms accordingly. If you do have easy bruising, one of the easiest things that you can do is, to manage the bruising is ice. So if you do get any type of contusion, any type of trauma that is going to cause a bruise with you, add ice. And the reason for this is it causes the capillaries to constrict, reducing the blood flow. So what you end up doing is reducing that extravasation. So you reduce the amount of blood that gets into the tissue. That will help reduce the overall swelling. It'll help reduce the bruise and the severity of the bruise. So it doesn't make the bruise go away, but what it does do is it does reduce the severity of it. Additionally, you want to correct the cause of the fragile veins. So, there are a couple of herbs that have been shown to actually improve this. Horse chestnut is probably one of our most well-known. It can actually improve the elasticity and strength of blood vessels. You might also look into something called hesperidin. Hesperidin, specifically hesperidin chalcone, has been shown to actually improve the elasticity and the strength of capillaries and blood vessels. And of course, vitamin C, lysine, and proline. These are some of the key features needed for your body to produce collagen and maintain the elasticity of the blood vessels, and that can also help to reduce bruising. So I hope these little tips have helped you if you are an easy bruiser. If you don't know why you bruise easily, please do go get it checked out. Make sure it's not anything severe. And if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to check out more of our natural health videos, subscribe, and if you have any questions or comments, please post them below. And like I always say, remember, knowledge is health.